What's up, YouTube fam? Check it out. I was going to do this live. I've never went live before, and I didn't know what to do to go live. So I went and kind of went through the motions, and I've had some people kind of tell me what to do when you go live. And I appreciate you, Chris Miller, Miller Time Family Foods and Gardening, for giving me the kind of a tutorial on how to do that. But when I went to go in there, it told me I have to be something for 24 hours. So I can't do it for 24 hours. And I do seem to remember something about that a while back, someone having that issue. It may have been Daniel, the member of the Filthy Phoenix. And Daniel might have been the one that had an issue with that, where he had to wait 24 hours. And then, so that's where we're at. I was going to do this live, but that has changed. So what we got is Quifas. Yeah. 10 Carolina Reapers, and they are large and in charge. This is going to be a hot one, guys. This is going to be an attempt. I'm not promising anything, but I'm going to try. These are freaking gnarly, sinister looking pods, and I am nervous. They are crazy, pimply, bumply, huge. Did I mention huge? I'm going to start with this one. I usually wouldn't go from left to right just because I'm maybe right-handed. I don't know. But this is going to be insane for me. For people with taste receptors in their mouth, this is going to be freaking hot. I don't care where your tolerance is. These are fresh pods, and fresh pods burn like none else. And there's people eating multiples and multiples of these. I've seen them, eating up in the hundreds of them and stuff like that. And we're understanding a lot of the people that do that kind of stuff doesn't have pain receptors in their mouth. Not saying all. I'm just saying that seems to be the popular. So, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I love my pods, but man, this is, I guess I'd be more scared if I had Bootlas in front of me, or Hellhammers, Primitalis, yeah, NK Sinisters, pods like that, Primos even. But these, as far as Reapers goes, these are the hottest Reapers I've ever eaten. Up until these, I thought the ones on my plant up there were the hottest I've eaten. Pods, Reaper pods from, where we at? 9 different growers now? 10 different growers? I done lost track. I've been through so many. But these out of Mexico are the hottest pods, Carolina Reapers I've ever eaten. So what better way to get started than to go with the hottest ones I've ever eaten instead of someone else's that might not be quite so difficult. I'm burping already. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get into this. And sorry I'm not live and not be able to chat with you, but I'm going to tell you something. Me doing this right now, I probably wouldn't be able to do a whole lot of chatting anyway. Be more focused in on what I'm doing to get my mind right. And because it is a mind thing also. You can mind control a lot of these. And if you start, it's like psyching yourself out. If you start thinking they're hot, they're going to be hotter than what they really are. So when you eat a super hot, try to use your mind. Use them Jedi mind tricks, and it'll help you. It will help you. Well, not completely, but it will give you an edge. Mm. Oh, this is going to be hot. Huh. Ah. Last one. I'm going to talk about the heat. Whew. At about a 7. About an 8. That's hot. I don't feel the endorphins just yet. Mouth really on fire. Throat really on fire. Oh, it hurts when you swallow. Definite 8. Quite a bit hotter than yesterday when I downed that bottle of tincture. That tincture wasn't super hot. But a full bottle of it really gets you. If I'd have waited till I'm driving to Louisiana tomorrow, so it's really hard for me to do something like this. But if I'd have waited an extra day, I think this would have been easier. When I do something really hot and I wait a day or two, the challenges are usually easier. But my mouth is still sensitive from yesterday. 10 Reapers. Whew. I think it's starting to back off a little bit. A little bit. Whew. Yeah, we're coming back now. I didn't get an endorphin dump, no. I know I was right there on the edge of it. Whew. That's a hot challenge. I can't say this is just a challenge because it's not controlled. I don't know if these would be hotter or less hot than 10 others. Just don't know. I think I'm back down around a 7, maybe a 6 at this point. Got it down in my belly, didn't get stuck up in my chest. That's good. Lord have mercy. Woke up with a headache this morning. Ooh. Yeah, we're back down to about 4 or 5 now. Woo. That's a good one, guys. Pod season comes up. I know I got lucky and got some ahead of time. I can grow my own also. But pod season comes up. Try it. Whew. Wow. All right, y'all.